Understanding spreads is important because they impact the profitability of trades. Traders often aim to enter and exit trades when the spread is as narrow as possible.
I'm running from nothing to something. I'm running from nothing to something. I'm running from nothing to something. I'm chasing my dreams.
The spread. Understanding the spread is like unlocking a secret to managing trading costs. Join us as we dissect the spread's significance and its impact on your trading profitability. A spread refers to the difference between the bid price and the ask price of a financial instrument. It's essentially the cost of trading and represents the profit that a broker makes. For facilitating a trade, let's break it down. Bid price. This is the price at which a trader can sell a financial instrument. It's the price at which the market is willing to buy from the trader. Ask price. This is the price at which a trader can buy a financial instrument. It's the price at which the market is willing to sell to the trader. The spread is the gap between these two prices. It's the amount that traders need the market to move in there favor to cover the cost of the spread before they can make a profit. Spreads can vary based on the liquidity of the market, the trading platform, the type of financial instrument, and market conditions. For example, if the bid price for a currency pair is 1.2000 and the ask price is 1.2002, the spread is 12 pips, the fourth decimal place in most currency pairs. The spread might be wider for less liquid assets or during times of high market volatility. Understanding spreads is important because they impact the profitability of trades. Traders often aim to enter and exit trades when the spread is as narrow as possible to minimize costs. Keep in mind that while spreads are a common part of trading, they can differ among brokers. It's a good practice to compare spreads when choosing a broker for your trading activities. Thank you for tuning into Basic Trading Channel. Stay ahead of the game by mastering the art of spreads and trading strategies. Remember, success in trading starts with knowledge. Keep learning, keep trading, and keep winning. Until next time, happy trading.